Hi guys, it's Tiyasha. Welcome to my channel World of Passion. In today's video, I am making some small and cute fridge magnets. So, let's start the video. At first, I go with molded clay. Mix the same quantity of clay and hardener and give desired shape. Now, I am making a kettle fridge magnet. Then I make a P. Make a leaf shape, then make 3 small balls. The middle one is big and the 2 are smalls. Stick the balls with help of Fevicol and make desired shape. The third one, I am making a donut. Make a hole with a sharp object on the middle part. Here I am using a straw. That's it. Your donut is ready. The fourth one, I am making a small cotton candy. This is looking so cute. And the last one, I am making a small piece of watermelon. Then stick the magnets with Fevicol. Then you go with your own preferable color choice. Here I am applying a coat of gesso, then I go with baby pink color for the kettle and make some white dot with dot art tools. Now I colored the candy with red acrylic color and make more details with 3D cone liner. You can also go with acrylic colors. Then I colored the P with green color. I go with brown and pink color for the donut and make some more details with yellow 3D cone liner. And the fifth one, I go with red, white and green acrylic color for the watermelon and make some black polka dots with dot art tools for realistic look. At last, apply a coat of varnish to make the art pieces waterproof and long lasting. Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the future updates.